this is the year of winners. It's going to get harder and harder for a loser to win. It's going to get easier and easier for a winner to win. So I want you guys to knuckle down and lock in and pay a lot of attention. Be perspicacious, because 2025 has to be a year that we all remember, filled with amazing stories and experience. Life's never easy, guys. The easy way out of doesn't exist. There is only one way out, through the thrones, through the pain and suffering. It's the only way it's ever been. It's the only way it's ever going to be. I want you to have to wake up every day and grind out and become richer than everyone else, because I work harder than every else and I try harder than everyone else. I don't want an easy way out of. The idea of then aggravates me. I don't want to feel motivated. I want to feel tired and stressed, and I want to run on pure discipline and adrenaline. Nobody is motivated at 4 a.m. in the morning. Nobody. So some people are up. Anyway, you are praying for an easy way out. I don't want one, because if there is an easy way out, yeah, I will win, but other people will win who I don't think deserve to win. Luckily, in my experience on this earth, the universe has never, I have never seen everyone like ever seen given an easy way out to anybody. So I don't believe it's coming, and most of you seem to believe something fantastic is coming next year. And I would you argue that it's not a bunch of people going to get laid off. Bitcoin might up a bit, but you don't have enough. You need at least like 50 to 100. You aren't it now. Your time is to earn more and more and work and buy them before they can go up, and you have not done it. Your predictions are true if you really believe, because all of the podcasts you have read, all the books and bitcoins about research going to a million, you still don't have enough to understand. And that's not reason to reset. That's not reason to wait. That's not reason to do less work. That's reason to work harder and harder, because you could turn your 3 money into 5. You could turn your into 20 calls. By the time it goes up, you won't be able to. So even if you were right, that's even more argumental. For the same thing, it doesn't matter. You go left or right, you need to make money and make more money. It doesn't matter if you go up or down, you need to make money. It doesn't matter if it's H or Z, or you have like cold cough, your headache, you need to make money. It doesn't matter if you are happy or sad, you need to make more and more money. Only way to leverage yourself is to economic game. That's none of us can possibly escape. And what are you doing? What do you want to expect to happen here? And your version of locking in and is in finding Kopal. That's what you call work, gentlemen. It's go time. It's go to time like it's never been before. Either things are going to great, and you need to get your duck and lock in yourself, bro. Like, before they go to great, each your Bitcoin prices go to the moon, or things are going to go wrong. You need to get your ducks in a row before they go wrong, because Bitcoin prices tanks. It doesn't matter either way, it's going to time. And truthfully, the law of average ensures that the majority of people are exactly that average. If you are watching this, most of you are average. Most of you cannot be exceptional by virtue of the nature of exceptionalism. Like exceptionalism, like you may be exceptional amongst the general populace, like because you are all fans of mine, but measure against other fans of mine. The majority of you will be average. That's what it means, but that's fine, because you can win. You are average. If you are first, you can win off your average. If you try harder than the rest, you can win off your average. If you pay attention, you can win off your average. If you do the right things, if you are not lazy, it's very easy to win. If you are average, you just need to get another advantage. The easiest advantage is to I am prepared to put in the work every day. Show up, and I am going to start right now. I can guarantee you your result if you do the guaranteed. However, you intend on making a lot of money, currently is asking like a lot of learning skills, asking somebody else to pay you money. You can't make money. You are given by money somebody or for something. Once like Bitcoin proves itself as an asset that you believe it's going to be, people would rather buy Bitcoin than give you the money for whatever service you offer, meaning it's going to become a very difficult for you to earn more and more, make knowledge and a lot of wealth and any money and buy Bitcoin. So you have to buy now before it blows up. If you are right and if you are wrong, you still need to find a way to make a lot of wealth and money and richness, your freedom and wealth. This is the beauty of the what I wanted to say to you. There's only one answer to all things. The answer always the same. Doesn't matter what happens. What matters is you need to money. Multiply your money. There is never been on time in my life where having lots of money and wealth was bad. Ever it always be an advantage. It's secure all same with the strengths. I have never thought that damn I'm too strong, damn I wish I wasn't strong. That doesn't happen. These are the two things that you can never get enough of, which is why they are the two things you should be focused on, because once you get enough, you get observe the game from above, you get watch the and argue and scatter around like I do. So I don't want you to guys to be living on hope. It is go time. Today is go time. Right now is go time. There is absolute no other time for you to go, but now you either go now or you lose now. You can finally take some action, get something done as a man. You win by your very existence. That is the difference between a winners and losers. A winner can be breathe, people will and have an opinion about it. Losers is trying to hard to be relevant, and it's your job to win as much as possibly. And I am going to make sure none of you are failing or for very obvious and simple trap. That trap is the false idea of work. I am believing that anybody out there is gives, nobody cares about you as opposed to themselves, because they don't life is actually very simple, because it's one move with imagine. No matter what scenario, what entire scenario and differences you are in, only one had to do one thing. Imagine like doing mixed martial art, MMA, and no matter what attack he threw at you, no matter how big and strong he was, no matter how tired you were, you didn't have to do any fancy combination, you didn't have to do any kind of clever footwork. You only have to do one move and you instantly and endlessly 100% of the time won. And life is the same, and that one thing is get rich. You know, whatever I see argument online about anything, my instant response is thank God I'm rich. I'm rich and wealthy. And if I'm emotionally invested that argument, if I'm looking at the argument and I'm believing that outcome is genuinely matter and can affect my life, my only more motivated to get rich. If I look at an argument and say I really care about this time to get rich. Why? Well, there is two reasons. Reason one is that wealth gives you power, allows you to move needle like anywhere, move anywhere, because most of you do not are rich enough to move to like needle or anywhere to go or any significant like any other place you want to move freely. And two, wealth is also giving you ability to build your own reality. Focusing on all that energy on getting as rich as possible is more likely to change of experiences. That rage posting their easiest place to see this is with Bitcoin. Everyone loves Bitcoin, everybody believes in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to the moon, and I get it, but why are you watching videos about Bitcoin and researching Bitcoin instead of earning money to buy more Bitcoin? It's binary. You either believe in Bitcoin or you don't. And if you don't do you believe in Bitcoin, the most prudent and intelligent you spend on your time is to work hard as possible to acquire as much as possible before the prices becomes prohibitive. To sit there within a 3 Bitcoin to believe that Bitcoin is going to up and up, then to watch Bitcoin videos and watch opium and research how blockchain works, and no intention of actually programming like the blockchain in any way is a mistake, and it's trick and trap. You are failing, you are falling for, because you believe by doing that you are somehow working towards to end goal, and you are not. You are attracted to Bitcoin because you can buy and forget you love Bitcoin because it's offering. You the lazy man dream by some of me and do nothing. It's the dream of every person alive to park some money. Ignore it. And with work impossible to do. If you want to start a rental property portfolio or any investment or anything, any business, you have to work. There is taxes, there is legal, there is cleaning, there is maintenance, there is finding tenants, and there is work. Bitcoin is very lazy, so you can buy it to do nothing, but you are told you are going to be a millionaire one day. That's satisfied part of heart, that's perfect scenario. But then you have this time on your hands, in your entire hands. You are sitting there thinking, well, Bitcoin is going to make me millionaire, I want to happen now. So what do I do? What you start to doing is reading about Bitcoin, tweeting about Bitcoin, posting about Bitcoin, watching all the hopium, looking up random YouTubers for the Bitcoin's predictions, listening to Michael, like other Bitcoin or top Bitcoin owner, Michael Saylor, or all of the things you are doing because you are trying to expedite, you are trying to speed up the pace, like at which Bitcoin saves you from your miserable life, but it is a mistake. Like it is a huge mistake, because doing all of that doesn't exchange anything. I know you could argue that collective energy of enough people understanding Bitcoin and waiting about it moves the needle. That is true, but if you were to say to you spend the next 100 hours reading and watching Bitcoin videos, or the next 100 hours working, earning money and buying Bitcoin, which one do you think? Well, what do you think? Would you put in a position where you could require a retire sooner? It would be from working and purchasing, but you are trying to avoid the work. This is so important, guys. Like you have to that focus on yourself, find yourself in this political argument, you find yourself watching Bitcoin videos, and find yourself locking into absolute unproductive things, because the only things that is productive in all scenarios is earning more and more wealth and money. I ask a lot of people that what they are doing. They say locking in a bro. This version of locking is just dumb. Like watching podcasts for hope, rage, posting on Twitter for hope, it is the best. Posting on Instagram, like for like a lot of thing, posting on like trash, for you assume that Bitcoin is still going to be around the same price like 10 years from now. It is the best for you to assume that prices will continue spiral, like the whole prices of the Bitcoin will continue. Like you are not controlling any price of Bitcoin. Is the best mental model for you to have, because in that scenario, under that mental model, I can say to you what are you going to do about it, and the only answer is work. Hope can destroy you. You are at the bottom of well, and you to save, manipulate, and you are paying someone going to throw hope down your ladder, because your ladder, because you don't want to scale the slimy your entire walls and crawls out of salvations, because how difficult it's going to be, and you are sitting at the bottom thinking a ladder become coming soon. I heard this rumor of this guy, like in 2011, as somebody said that somebody said like buy the Bitcoin, and randomly puts it down wells, and maybe I will choose my one of his. I just sit around and wait. That's wrong mentality. It will soon be nightfall. You will be freeze. It will begin to rain, and you will drown. You don't have time. If the man with ladder is coming, then you are you are good anyway. If Bitcoin goes to 10 million and your one finally becomes worth something, you are good. If the ladder comes down, well, you are halfway up. Well, you are great, but shouldn't be here to climb anyway. It is the win. The only thing stopping you is to try believing on you are doing something by praying for the ladder man and laziness. That's the beautiful thing about life, because the answer is nearly always thin and get rich. Ignore the noise, buckle down, lock in. Ignore the noise, lock in. Focus. Do important things. Ignore noise and make sure you are doing things that actually matter, because there is huge work trap that's been set up. You are not working as hard as you think you are. If you are watching podcasts, reading books, which you are giving you hope, like a lot of hope that you have already done enough work. Like that's what you are doing. You are hoping someone is going to say to you that you're already done enough, and that one Bitcoin is fine, and it's all fine. Nothing is fine. You need to crawl out of well, and with your fingernails you need to scratch your face and hard stone. You need to get out of there like a man, even if the ladder comes after a climb out of the well. You bought yourself time. Now you are ahead of the game, as you could have waited, had easier way out of. But think how much time you saved by crawling out before the ladder man got around. This is extremely important. It's extremely important, and the great things about this mindset is most people don't have it. But if you bow down and you get rich, the rest will do it for you. It's fine. Let them do the heavy lifting. Let them sit there and rage post and get mad and lose sleep and watch videos and do all that crap while you stake cash. And I can guarantee you that's how you are going to win after decided Bitcoin was a thing. I have never watched a video on it, because I've decided Bitcoin going into moon. That's my decision. That's my guts. I now have interest in Bitcoin podcast. I have no interest in Bitcoin predictions. I have no interest in I spend my time making money to buy Bitcoin or something else. I know everything, and I'm just doing everything perfect. We do if crypto went to zero, because probably 70% of our wealth is in crypto. Let's say we are worth like millions of millions. Keep numbers easily in crypto. So if crypto went zero, what would we do? Shit, well, that would be fantastic. That would be great, because now all easy. Money gone. We all who get run out around the all the fancy luxury things, show off and buy a lot of girls handbags on all easy things. It's gone. We are back. The hard world. We are back with real world, real business is what we are best. And we have got real estate portfolio, and we have gold, we have stocks, we have ETFs and cash, we have all of the things, other things. Like, we have skill to becoming rich. Like, we can go broke and we will become again rich. We just don't have crypto. Most like crypto people only have 7 Bitcoin. That's their hope, that's their ticket to we have everything else 7 through. I don't believe crypto is going to zero. It would be actually better for us today, because there will be less people flexing money. It would be only rich people left. It great. Bitcoin went zero. We are perfectly prepared to do hard work. There is no such thing as easy money. There is a lot of wealth. You can work for it. I can show you where the gold mine is. Can you give your like pickaxe? But you will have to dig. If you are not going to dig, don't go down the gold mine with pickaxe. If you are not prepared to dig, then you are wasting your entire life, everyone's time. You are wasting my time. You are giving your heart and shovel. You are wasting the elevator operator's time. You are wasting the company's time, because we could have hired somebody else who actually wants to dig. If you are not prepared to work, don't go down. There is stay at the top and never be have chance to finding a gold, believing that one day gold going to just fall on your lap. You are going to find it by accident. By next year I'll be rich. Like, gamble it. I don't have time, or like, I don't know how it just started going to happen. Let's see. Sure, we are can rid of your childless, infertile dreams. Pick up an axe, get the elevator and go down. There is a feature, and do whatever it takes to choose you. But it truthfully is go time, gentlemen. I am not going to tell you that easy way to make a wealth. I am not going to tell you can just buy money and sit there and do nothing. I am going to tell you that how to crawl. How I am going to say that you should do it hard way. I can only teach you how to do things the hard way. That you all I know, because it's all I have ever done. I have never done things that the easy way. I have never been lucky. I have never been caught a lick. I have been the guy who had crawled but out the skin of his teeth every single time. Work hard, pain, suffering, escaped absolute decimations. I have been the guy who had on the edge of inhalations of his life, failing part, and he only pulled it off because he grit and bared the pain and did whatever it took to win. I have never had easy. I have never won easy. I have only ever did it the hard ways. So it's all it I can teach you. If there is someone out there who you believe in, who's promising an easy way out of them, go believe them. I don't know the easy way out. All I know is the hard way out. That's the only path. You are trapped in a forest, surrounded by bramble and ghouls, which intend taking your soul. And I am outside of the forest and screaming to you, saying no. A way out of path. It's long, it's dangerous, it's around us. You may hurt yourself, you may get cut. It's difficult, but I can guarantee you it leads out. Perhaps there is another voice saying, I know easy path, and it just leads straight out of easy path. You believe them, try, but it was true. If there was an easy path out, why are so many people still stuck, and why are so many people still trapped? There is an easy way out of this mess. I can't give you an easy answer. I don't have them. I only have the hard answer, and the hard answer is for you to knuckle down. Stop praying for an economic miracle. Like, stop praying for a miracle via digital currency. Get your action together and start working all day, every day, until you finally have enough for you and no longer have to be forced to live an experience you don't enjoy anymore. Because that's all I did. So that's all I know. It's amazing how much you can achieve if you actually try, and you should feel deep shame if 2025 did not change your life. That's the kind of year you need to have in want to be winner. 2025 you should have a list which rivals. When we ask you to end of 2025 what you have achieved, you should have a list which can hold parallel to ours and not feel a deep sense of shame without feeling a deep sting of regret, or how you have wasted your entire time. You have wasted your 2025, 24, 23. You can be the year can be your year. Remember, and we are going to talk again exactly a year from now to see what you have achieved in our community. So why do I put emphasis on focusing to get rich? Should be as rich, as strong as possible, because you are full grown man need to be able to influence world. It's never going to be smooth and easy saying. How could it possibly be? Life never been that way.